Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, the biggest defense sector stock, has given 2200% return in last 4.5 years. Yes, from the lowest point of COVID crash till today. Can you imagine how big this number is? 2200%. Well, I have made multiple videos on this stock in this channel, and if you have been following this channel and watched those videos, then definitely you must have made investment in this stock and you must be sitting at a good percentage of profit. But let's say you have not made any investment in this stock, or if you have already made investment but still you want to buy more, then this video might be the most useful video on Hindustan Aeronautics Limited that you are going to find across internet. Why is that? Let's find out. But please remember that this is not a stock recommendation video. Please do the buying and selling of stock based on your own risk appetite, right? So with that said, let's get started. Okay, hello everyone and welcome back to another video of Financial Impulse. So you see, this is what I was talking about. You see, this is the lowest point in COVID crash, okay, 23rd March 2020, and from there if I measure till the highest point, it is around 2215%. Okay, so that's a very big rally. But now the question is, why is now a good time to make an entry, and is it a good time at all? Let's find out in this video. So first of all, you have to find out what is special about the current price where the stock is trading. So what I can see is that the stock is trying to look for the nearest support, and where it could be. Well, I would say the nearest support could be found in the major previous resistance level. That could be this point. Well, I know this is looking very small because this is weekly time frame, but you'll get to know when I draw one line here. Okay, if I draw one line like this, you can clearly see that the stock which was using this level as a resistance, and now it is trying to use this level as a support. We will get a better view once we go to the daily time frame. So let's switch to the daily time frame, and there we go. Here we can clearly see the resistance level which is trying to be the support for the upcoming rally. Now obviously it cannot be possible for the stock to choose any random resistance level and turn into support. It needs to have confluence. Okay, what is confluence? It is the alignment of multiple factors which will indicate that yes, this is the point of reversal or the point of U-turn. And one more thing, you can clearly see that this level that I have drawn was being used as support here also. Okay, I think this is the election period, I believe. Okay, during the election time the stock massively dropped, the defense sector stock, but then again it bounced back up from this level itself. But now here we are again at the same level. Now the question is, what other factors are aligning and which could help us to decide if this could be a point of reversal or not. So the first thing that we are going to check is the 200 days EMA. So this is a daily time frame. I am enabling the 200 days EMA, and there we go. It is the perfect, you can say the picture perfect touching of 200 days EMA, and you can see as the stock was coming closer to the 200 days EMA, it was starting to show some good strength here, back to back. Okay, and here also, here I can draw one channel kind of pattern. Okay, connecting these points. Let me draw one. Okay, here it is, and then one more here. Okay, so now the question is, if it is touching 200 EMA, should we directly jump into this stock? Well, I would say no. That is not the right approach. The right approach will be the nearest break, the nearest resistance levels break, and that is clearly this one. So let us confirm if this is the actual resistance level to be broken or not. So I'll use the super trend indicator, and I can clearly see that that area is actually the resistance, nearest resistance. Okay, so what I can do is I can draw one red line here. Let me draw one red line to mark the nearest resistance area. Okay, and let me delete these blue lines because it does not have much significance. We have already seen that it is the resistance level, so we can delete that one, and I am hiding the super trend as well. Okay, so this is the level. So 4, 6, 7, 8. So you can round it up to 4700. So what I would say that you have to wait for the stock to break this level. Okay, and along with that, what other factors we have? If it breaks this level after bouncing up from 200 EMA, then definitely it is the best time to make an entry in any stock. Okay, and along with that, it needs the support of the short term resistance, that will be the 50 EMA. Currently you can see the 50 EMA is turning downwards like this. So in future, if the stocks goes above like this and using this 50 EMA breaks the 4700 level, then I would say it will be the perfect time to make an entry in Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. As of now, if you want to make an entry, it is fine, but I would say do not dump all your money in this stock right now, because it is just starting to touch the 200 days EMA and the momentum is not strong enough, okay, which could give us the clear indication that yes, this stock will continue giving uptrend from here. It is just the beginning, so we have to wait for some more time. But if you want to keep your average low and buy the stock at around this level 4200 instead of 4700, then you can do it partially. Do not invest all your money, okay, that will not be a wise option, because you see the gap is just 8.63%. so if you make an entry at 4700, you will just pay around 8% more premium on the stock price, so that is not a big difference. So better to wait for the confirmation and make accurate entry, that so that you will get the highest return on your investment in the least amount of time. That is the right approach for entering and exiting in stocks. And then the same question, like when should you exit from the stock? If you are making an entry at 4700, I would say stack the 50 EMA until the stock breaks below that, or else what you can do is you can take profit at the nearest resistance level, and that will be this level 5600. But obviously it won't be a big percentage of return, okay, it will be just around 20%. so for swing traders it is fine, because definitely the stock will face some resistance at 5600 level, definitely, without any doubt. But if you are a positional trader and long term investor, then definitely you can sell partially, okay, here at 5600, okay, with 20% profit, and then keep, let's say you are selling half, okay, at 5600 with 20% profit, then you can keep the other half until the stock stays above 50 EMA. That will be the best approach, right? So that is all about Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. I hope this update video on HAL was useful and informative. Please hit the like button and subscribe to Financial Impulse if you have not done already. And if you are already a subscriber and finding my videos valuable, consider joining the Financial Impulse community, where you will find more stock analysis posts. Thank you for watching. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye. Take care.